from your breaking news and weather authority. This is 13 Wham News at 6.
Now at 6, a horrific tragedy in Livingston County. An 89-year-old woman killed after a dump truck crashes into her home, igniting a massive fire.
I can't even put that into words. I've never seen something so tragic.
Good evening, I'm Matt Malloy. We begin with that tragedy in the town of Sparta. A family in mourning tonight, their 89-year-old loved one dead after a fiery crash. Deputies say 2 dump trucks were traveling down Harter Road, each carrying around 20 tons of asphalt when they collided. One of those trucks then slamming into the home of that woman on Culbertson Road in Sparta. 13 Wham's Carly Miner was at that scene all day and joins us now with the latest. Carly, good evening.
Yeah, Matt, authorities tell us they received that call early this morning and were there all day battling the fire and cleaning up debris. The Livingston County Sheriff's Office is now investigating a collision that turned into a deadly house fire in Sparta early Thursday morning.
They have 2 dump trucks that collided and struck a house. They're now reporting the house is on fire, and there is 1 occupant inside the residence.
According to authorities, those dump trucks were coming down Harter Road, each carrying around 20 tons of asphalt, couldn't stop and collided with each other. They say one of those trucks then crashed into this house on Culbertson Road. When I arrived around 8:30, loved ones were gathered near the road.
She was 89 years old. She had the energy of a 30-year-old.
Pastor David Zastrow tells me the woman who died was a beloved member of his church.
It was just smelling the smoke as I came up here. Just found myself crying over it. She's someone who's going to be missed, and there's no words to describe the burning of the house. I can't put it into words.
He tells me the woman's son lived with her in the home and was home at the time of the crash.
He got out as well as the dog, but the way that the fire was, he wasn't able to get to his mother. So our prayers are with the family right now.
And authorities have not yet released the identity of the woman as the investigation continues. Matt?